Hello everyone, this is the Texas Instruments TI-BA2 Plus unboxing. So I got this at a store that sells used items. This runs like $35, got it for $12. Not bad for, oh, we'll see how scratched up it is. But not too bad. And I can return it if I don't like it. Okay, so let's open this plastic here. This is their wrap. Okay. It says right here. So this is pretty new because it has this warning sign. Ooh, okay. We'll look at this in a minute. Financial calculator for business, finance students, prompt display for business, finance, accounting, economics, statistics, real estate. And it can do CFA, CMA, GARP, net present value, internal rate, and so forth. In the back, well, it gives you some examples. It's all messed up, sorry. But what you're here for is the calculator itself. And here it is. Small. Turn it on. Very nice. Let's see. Make sure you can see it. Okay. 56 times 8. Of course, these decimal places can be changed. How? Well, let's see. We're going to put 2 format. Decimal 2. Maybe. I don't know. Let me see. Don't think so. No. Second reset. Question mark. I don't know. Let's see. Has that been reset? Probably not. Okay. Definitely. Oh, it didn't have instructions. So I'm going to have to find instructions for it. Let's see. This does click here. There's some there. Second off. Or just off. Yeah, just off. Okay. It has some, at least it has this card. These display indicators prompt you to take action. Okay. Bond worksheet. You can, all these different instructions. That's nice. And then very light. You know. Okay. Clamshell. Has that nice little pattern design. I know you can't really see it. TI-BA2 Plus 1 battery, CR2032, 3 volts, 220 milliamps. Oh, there's a reset button down here. Oh, interesting. I wonder why. 4 screws. Okay. Let's put this back here. Clicks very nicely. Has all these buttons. That's interesting. Okay. Now, let's compare this to a TI-36X Pro, which feels a little bit more heftier. Oh, let's see. It's acting up. Definitely a bigger body. The TI-36X Pro. Solar, right? Not solar. The zeros are here on the side, the period, plus or minus key, equals, the answer key here, on-off button on the bottom here. It's so strange that they don't have similar layouts, but divide, multiply, subtract, and add. Okay. Clear button's not here. It doesn't have a clear button. I don't see one here. There's a quit. And I don't see a mode button either. Oh, choose permutations and combinations on the yellow. Well, that's something. Something in statistics that I can see. It says stats, so second stats. Linear. Does it number of data points? Errors. Oh, well. Oh, I'm sure you can put quit. Let's say stats again. Yeah, we'll just quit. Okay. Buttons. Similar to the other boys. Here is a comparison with TI-84 Plus. Much bigger, isn't it? No. Definitely the buttons feel different. Okay. Let's focus on the BA2 Plus. We got square roots, percentages. Let's see. How do you... oh, CE is down here. All right. Okay, so 25% automatically gives you a decimal place 9 times. That's nice. So it divides by 100 all the time. That's nice. Parentheses, so let's say CE 8 parentheses 8 close parentheses equals no. 8 parentheses 2 plus 2 close parentheses, that's 4. The 8 didn't multiply the 8, so let's say 8 times parentheses 2 plus 2 close equals, and now it multiplies. So it doesn't multiply automatically. Okay. You can take the inverse, or 1 over x. That's nice. You can square it. Okay. And then these buttons must be for finance or so forth. Future value, PV, gotta remember. And arrow buttons, enter. Data, bond, profit, date, memory, reset, data, round. Natural log. Not log of 10. That's interesting. And then E. Right? I guess you put 2 first. And then E. Okay. Has factorial. That's nice. Random number. Wait a minute. I guess it just chooses a random number. A random number between 1 and through 0. Okay. That's nice. I'll delete. Let's see. Put an 8. Let's see if it deletes. Nope. I'm not sure what delete is then. Combinations. Anything else? Clear work. Not sure what that is. Okay. You have these other buttons that are specific to business. All right. I mean, this is a very nice calculator. And it has very similar TI styles. It's very easy to put away, put into your bag. This one's acting up. Put it away and put it in your bag. So if you have one of these, tell us. I hope you have a great semester. Please give it a thumbs up if you like the video. Please subscribe. Please keep watching our channel. We appreciate everybody that watches it. And again, if you have a comment, put it in the comment section. And we'll try to get back to you as soon as possible. All right. I hope you have a great semester. And I'll see you later. Bye-bye.